Right, Satajet 100 BP at 15 psi. Let's spray some polyester on this bonnet.
Hi, welcome to BD Auto Body, and today we're going to be doing a review on this Novol for classic cars polyester aluminium spray filler. This is a bit of a special product, this, because like other polyesters, it's absolutely full of aluminium dust. Or if you live across the pond,
them aluminum particles.
Now the advantage this product has is because you're spraying it on aluminium and it's aluminium based, this product is going to expand and contract with the aluminium that it's sprayed on. And it's all part of a Novol for classic cars range, which we have been trained and certified on here at BD Auto Body. So with the bonnet we're about to spray, what we've done is it's been taken back to bare metal and then it's been epoxy primed. Okay, then it's been left for a few days and then we've done our bodywork on it, which wasn't a lot. And we used our aluminium filler for that. And then once that's blocked back, then we're going to go onto the aluminium spray filler, put it on nice and thick, and then it'll be sanded back and get ready for the isolator primer. And then on with the 2-pack black primers and then the top coat. So we're going to mix it up now, and we're going to add 4 grams per 100 grams of the hardener. And then we're going to add a little bit of thinners, especially polyester thinners, at about 6 grams per 100. So let's get mixing. Got to mix this stuff really well. The resins get settled. It could be a year in the tin before you get it, you know what I mean? So make sure it is mixed thoroughly. It may take a while, there may be little blobs. Go through it, go through it. Look at that now, so much better. The gun we're going to be using is a Satajet 100 BP, which has been specifically designed for polyesters. Look at the size of that needle in the middle there. And it's what Novol recommends for spraying this product.
Right, these polyesters are so much thicker than any kind of filler primer you're going to use. Okay, and they're used to fill in any imperfections on the panel. So we're not looking at getting it super glass finish like you would do with any kind of paint or like a surfacer. We're just looking at getting as much on as possible. So let's go do it. So here we go, it's coat number 3 now, okay. I missed out the second coat because you don't need to see me paint the same thing 3 times. We're getting a lot more coverage now and it's getting a lot thicker. So final coat and we're going to go really heavy. So it's fully cured now, let's take a look and see what it's like.
So to be honest, the finish on it, it feels and looks just like a lightly sandblasted aluminium bonnet. It's flowed out very smoothly. It looks lovely. I'll just show you this. This is some of the product we left in one of our PPS cups over the weekend, and it's absolutely solid. Absolutely solid.
Novol Classic Car's aluminium spray filler. It sprays nice, it mixes nice, it lays down nice. It is an expensive product, but it's a premium product and you get what you pay for. And on a restoration like this, don't cut any corners. It's a good product. See you next time.